What if I told you the same thing that would help you survive in the wild would help you pop off on YouTube? You see, the secret is right there on the thumbnail that you just clicked. Fear and curiosity, which happens to be 2 out of 5 emotions that you can use that can explode your channel.
And I'm gonna be honest.
The reason your videos fail to get views isn't because the content is trash. It's because your packaging fails to invoke one of these 5 emotions and stand out amongst a heap of other thumbnails. Think about the niche that I am in on YouTube. Everyone does the same thumbnail. 0 views on the left and wow, a lot of views on the right. When you see a thumbnail like that, you think, oh, it's just the same old video I watched from before. Then you stumble upon my thumbnail. It's a friggin' snake, man. What's all that about? If you saw a wild snake in real life, your brain would wake up instantly and notice it because snake equals danger. And then you see the YouTube logo and don't click. Now, you want to do the opposite of what I've said because you probably hate being told what to do. Then you read the title, The Dark Method to Grow on YouTube, and you get even more curious. What's this dark method? Is it manipulation? Is it stealing? What can this be? I've just used triggers in your primal ape brain to make you click this video. The truth is that people will look at your thumbnail for less than a second and decide if they want to watch it. And the only way that we can convince someone to click our videos will be by appealing to their primal ape brain that thinks fast. The best way to do this will be to invoke these 5 emotions: fear, anger, sadness, disgust, and joy. Look at this thumbnail, man. It's literally impossible not to click this. Perfectly evoked fear. Can a shark smell blood? I'm curious. The guy's bleeding, shark is behind him. Is he gonna attack? I must click this video. Anger. Look at this video. 100 million question. Is Iman Gadzhi a fake guru? Life. Ruin. The deserved downfall of pirate software. Dude, if you hate these people, this will be perfect to watch. And sadness. The SpongeBob Pearl theory finally solved. And goodbye internet. You see us crying and it's just like emotional, and it's literally one of the most popular videos on the Game Theory channel simply because like he's kind of crying, man. He's sad. It's like, oh, why is he sad? Let me click this video and discuss. This is a recent thumbnail I made actually. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not gonna say much. Yeah, discuss and joy. Dude, this is cool, man. I bought my mom a dream car and her mom's like, I'm so happy. You have to click it, man. I bought a mama car. What's this car? Well, let me click it. So if you can invoke one of these 5 emotions, which happen to be fear, anger, sadness, disgust, and joy, tell a story and make people curious, then trust me, dude, your views will skyrocket. So what is the dark secret? Appeal to your viewers' primal ape brain in your thumbnails. You probably aren't that good at it, but that's okay. All you need to do is take a good idea and apply it for your own channel. Just like how I took this money thumbnail and applied it to my own niche. And that's exactly why I made my own thumbnail vault, where you can literally steal the best ideas from YouTube, which you can join for free. The link is in the description, and you will also get a free training video teaching you exactly how to go from 0 to 1,000 subs. So click the link below and I'll see you on the inside.